I bought this bodysuit a couple months ago, and I think it might be my new favorite piece of clothing. I wear it all the time. I am a size 18 to 20, just kind of depends on what it is. I did get the 3X. I will put it on and show you. I feel like I maybe could have gone down a size. It fits really well. It's really comfortable. It's got tons of stretch. I just feel like maybe the 2X kind of would have cinched it in a little bit, but very, very comfortable. It does have the snaps on the bottom for you to go to the bathroom nice and easy instead of having to take it off fully, and it is the thong back. So I'm gonna go put it on. I'll be right back. So this is my favorite way to wear the bodysuit. I have this on, obviously, with a nice baggy pair of jeans and then a kimono over top. Of course, you can wear it without this. It's got long enough sleeves, so it's got that coverage for someone like me who, you know, likes to kind of hide their arms. I love the neckline, the nice little scoop line. I find it very flattering. But as I said, as you can see, I do have tons of room, which is not a bad thing. But I do think that if I would have went a size smaller, it would just kind of hold that in a little bit more. But again, I'm not sure, you know, if it would be too tight. But right now, this is the 3XL. I really like it. I think it's flattering, and I'm gonna get them in all colors.